Alright, we're going to make this color. This is going to be GM Nightfall Gray Metallic. And this is the formula. So we'll take a look at 400 101 for example. So if we look, see all these numbers. Let's find, here's that 101. So that'll be one of the things that we need. So we're just going to go over there and pull the numbers from the formula and get all these, and then it'll tell us quantities. So we needed 1.7 grams of that. And this isn't really what I do, but Larry does it. So we're going to get a nice video of how to do it. You want me to pull your first one or anything? Let me know how I could help. Alright, so the 400 Deep Black. I was looking for that. I didn't see it. Here's sixes. Could be over here. Let me find it. Okay. I have no
Since
ice.
it's a waterborne base, you don't have to. It's not connected to the machine because you don't want to agitate it. It'll put bubbles into the toner. So you just give
just carry it.
A very simple agitation.
Okay.
And it's good to go.
Okay.
So just pour that up to that number that you see on the screen.
Okay. So 51.5 grams.
So when you do this, make sure that you first off the spout is clean.
Okay.
And then when you're going to pour it into the container, always make sure that the material is to the tip first.
Oh, okay.
So it's all you're doing once the scale is zeroed, which it is, so the cup is not part of the measurement.
Okay.
And you're just simply triggering. Okay? That's all you're doing is triggering. Okay, and that'll get you to each trigger like that or drop is going to be about 1/10 of a gram.
Okay.
So since we need 51 grams, just go ahead and pour away. We're watching the scale.
Right.
Go up to 51. If we run out, we just get another one.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Just 1.5.
Bingo.
Yep.
Yeah. All right. I can run for it if you want. I just yeah. That one and the next one was 101 transparent white. Okay. Swirl.
And then pour in the amount.
Okay, so I got stuck on this step.
Yeah, no, it's no big deal.
Because we don't want it cumulative. I'm gonna put
You can.
T.
You can mix it either way.
Okay, no, I'm better with not having to do the math,
That's
right?
fine. That's
and I
fine. Yeah,
followed,
well,
right?
you don't
I'm gonna
have to,
hold
'cause
it.
If you do it cumulative, it'll have a running total.
Yeah.
So now all you're doing is pouring 1.7.
Right.
Oh, okay, now just trigger it. Just flick it. So you can't do that with the thing in your hand.
Maybe.
Let me show you that. Yeah, see? Ooh. Okay,
Hey,
you got it right on the money.
but I could have
what you-
easily
yeah,
overshot
What
it.
you're going to do is just flick it. And
Okay.
that'll give you
Okay.
each individual
Okay.
drop.
So I need a video with left hand and flick with the right because my left hand's too uncoordinated.
No, you just can't hold the camera. You have to do it at the same time.
666.
Oh, double sign.
Yeah. And then we'll do tariff again. And so we're looking for 10.1 grams.
And understand that this is referred to as correction binder. It's just binder. That's all it is.
Okay.
Binder is the backbone for every material that we spray.
Gotcha.
So there's going to be a binder. The binder is dictated, its characteristics, by the resin that it's made of. In this case, it's a polyurethane.
Gotcha.
So this is what?
10.1.
Okay. This is, see how this has a much thinner viscosity. So
I
be-
see.
be
Yeah, the other
careful.
one was a little funky. Glad I wasn't practicing on that one.
So you got 10.2.
Exactly.
So we could do. Well, you got 10.1 now.
Yeah, so
But
it's
what we
just
could do is,
right
if you
there.
need to, just take a mixing stick and just scrape just that toner off of there,
And
or
pull
get
it
a
off on the stick.
piece of paper, you know, your
Yeah, some clean paper.
towel, and get a little bit of it off of there. But we're right on the
Cool,
line.
cool.
And what I
Yeah.
always tell guys too, because no matter how nice the scale is or how expensive it is, if there's a little bit of a grease, it will wander. But if you see the number once, you got the number.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. You've
Cool,
got it. Already.
cool, yeah.
Okay, what's the next
Cool.
one?
Then
535?
535
Okay.
blue violet.
Not much of this. I've got it back. How much of that do we need?
20. 20.9.
Okay, I've got it back up on it in case I don't have enough.
Gotcha.
See how it doesn't mix, it just sits on top?
Yeah.
That's what gives you the ability to take some of it away if
Cool.
you need to.
Yeah, it is just kind of laying there.
And then the other thing you need to know is before you reduce this, all toners must be thoroughly mixed together.
Before reducing.
Before reducing, yes.
Okay.
So 20 point what?
9.
Okay, we're almost there. So now this is where I'll just, the material is there.
Flick it.
So I'll just flick it.
Yep, you're there. 777 flop controller. .1. Oops, I fired. I lost my yob.
They sound like Dan. You see I have two streams? It's because there's some contamination.
Oh,
in
okay.
some coagulated material.
Yeah, I
So
got
I'm
you.
gonna
Clean it up.
off of that, yeah, first. Before I get to the final pour.
Gotcha.
Tell me again the number, please.
26.1.
Okay. Yeah, it's pulling one stream out of the center. Okay, so now I got an over pour.
Okay,
Alright,
here's
so
an
we're
example.
Yep.
Okay, so that pulled 0.2.
And if I go too far, I could always add a little more. It's not a big deal.
Right.
Okay. Now, this system will account for an overpour, which is what that was,
Yeah.
and it will simply increase every toner by the specific
cool.
amount to make up the difference.
Gotcha.
So it's not a problem. It will do that for you.
Cool. And that's because we put it on tariff, so it knows each individual.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Well, that just clears out each number.
Gotcha.
Okay, so 970.
Yep, 974. It'd be at 36.4 grams.
It's 974.
36.4 grams. That one's getting a little low, huh?
I got it back up over there.
Gotcha. We might make it.
But see what it's doing is it has to go over the lip that's inside the can.
Yeah,
that,
so you gotta wiggle it to get it
so you
to
gotta be
slosh
ca-
over.
But you got to be careful. 'cause
Oh,
you
it'd
could
be easy to go over.
Real easy. Okay, what was the number?
36.4.
Okay. We're only halfway there, so.
Yeah, you got a ways, but I noticed it started going. I think we'll sneak it. $36.4 is our target. Bingo.
What's the next one?
888DF. Terra.
Metallics.
Yeah. This probably will make it look pretty cool. It's only 0.6 grams. I see it was stubborn on that one. I saw it. I saw that.
It's not going to break the bank if you use 0.7
Yeah.
because hey Tim, because it's not going to want to go down this.
Gotcha.
What's the next one?
888DC.
You got here to pick up the truck? Or?
Yeah.
Your dad going to meet you down here?
No, I was just gonna grab it on the way home. I was down
Oh.
here at the shop working. So.
Cool, awesome. How's everything going? All right.
Yeah.
Good.
How about you?
Good. Yeah, hanging in there.
It's good.
Yeah, that's all I could do. Works good. Staying busy.
Yeah.
Good.
Finally started slowing down a little bit, so that's good. Hopefully not too much.
There you go. Did you guys end up doing all days of the King of the Hammer after all? Or a lot of them?
For, I think, we went out there both weekends.
1.9.
At least my girlfriend and I went out, and then I think Dad came out for one of the weekends.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love the video you showed me off your phone. That was impressive.
Good.
Yeah, come check it out. Make sure there's something new. It's for the day, you know. I mean,
Yeah, especially that area. That area is just
Okay.
it's just cool.
Right.
Not, I got him. I got him handy.
That's
it.
Make sure to lock it back up.
Okay, now what we have to do, our responsibility is to make sure that every bit of the toners are scraped from the side because all of that makes the color correct.
Right, and if they're hanging
Okay.
on the side, it's missing
It's-
something.
Yeah, it's missing some of that color. So just
I see. Yeah, you can see some of the blue for
Mhm.
sure. Got it.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is like if I make brownies, and I'm gonna get every last bit of batter.
Mm-hmm. That
Yeah.
just
Okay.
getting it all scraped. Yeah,
Definitely.
that's nice.
Yeah, it looks familiar.
Yeah. Go from 10 to 50%,
Okay.
depending on the weather conditions.
Okay.
So today it's pretty mild, so it's not going to need to be, say, 50% because it's not hot and dry.
Okay.
Today's, good humidity.
Yeah.
It's cool. It's not bad.
Right.
So I'll mix this at 20%. That
Okay.
way we're almost guaranteed to have very good coverage.
Yeah.
The color isn't super transparent.
Right.
We would see it on the stick if it was very transparent.
You can
You'd
see
see
through
it. Yeah.
Still see the
you're in
grain.
for some work.
I gotcha.
Golds are that way. They're very, very transparent.
And so you come up with the 20 just based on your knowledge and experience.
Yeah, because they first said that when this product came out, they said it was going to be 30% reduction. Then they quickly changed that. Within a couple weeks, they modified the TDS to say 10 to 50% because
Okay.
they realized it
Depending
can't
on
be 30.
conditions.
So my example is always if you're spraying in Vegas and the booth is 110, or
Yeah.
if you're spraying in Oregon and it's raining outside and it's 50, the
I see.
reduction is not going to be the same on the two. It's going to be drastically different.
Right. Gotcha.
Okay, so our total mix was 184. That's the running total of all that.
I'd have
wanna
to
add
crunch
up,
it.
you can.
Okay. This I can do. 51.5 plus, right? 1.7. So I'm going to add all those. All right, here's the last number. I got 149.
Okay, great.
Point
So say 150, so our reduction would be 30 grams
okay.
for 20%. So we'll
Okay.
just add the additive LP.
So 20% of 150. Shoot for 30. Gotcha.
There you go.
Okay. And the reduction doesn't have to be quite so precise.
No, because it's a
It's variable.
10 to
Variable
50,
right from
so,
their
yeah,
right from their design.
right. 10
Gotcha.
to 50%. So you get it close to that, you're fine.
Gotcha.
And
Perfect.
then the bottom line is it's still going to have the correct viscosity, and we could check for that if we needed to.
Yeah.
The viscosity for any given base is going to be about 18 to 22 seconds.
Okay.
So that's a good sprayable viscosity
Gotcha.
for your base. Okay, and then we'll put the lid on. I'm going to put a filter in there first.
Cool.
And the blue filters denote water because these are 500 microns versus the 250, which are for the solvent.
Gotcha. Okay.
So these are finer,
Yeah.
little screens.
Gotcha.
That just simply snaps in here. Drops on, and always go back first. Just make sure it drops in, and then tighten it up. And
Yeah.
then it'll seal. You'll know if it's not sealed when you put the gun on there and turn it over.
Yeah.
It'll run all over the place. So
Yeah.
You don't want that.
For sure. All right. So with this mixed, the next step is getting ready for spray, which will be a different video. Gotcha. Yeah, I gotcha.
Now it has that crazy blue color because of all the water pouring solvent that's in
Oh yeah, I can see a blue hue.
Yeah, and then as it starts to dry out of there, like we're going to put a flash on the booth, so it'll raise the booth to 150 degrees and all the blowers will come on.
Cool.
But I'm just showing this so you can see how it changes color from the blue hue
Yeah.
to the actual color that it's going to be.
Matter of fact, it's changed since I've been watching.
Right.
Yeah. Cool.
Now we'll go outside and run a flash on it, and then just continue. It's a slow build process.
I build it up a little.
And then I shoot it downward and away from the rest of the panel. Then I'll worry about blending it up into the panel once I've added good coverage on here, and then I'll clear the entire panel.
Okay.
Okay, real straightforward.
Cool. So that's the base coat. And the base coat's got there's the technique of how he sprayed it to get the metallic to flow out and stand up. And now this is still all the original color, which just needs to be cleared. And that's going to be the next step.
See the scale I'm using? 2
Yeah.
scale right there. The
Yeah, so
scale is
not
in between.
not really worried about
Right
the
here.
weight, but more on the scale. Yeah, I could see the 2 ounce.
It's going up to the 2 to the 1, and then the 1 right there.
Gotcha. And that first one was the clear, and this one is reducer,
Hardener.
hardener. So it's 2 to 1.
Come on.
Oh, 2 to 1 to 1. Gotcha. Yeah, right there. So it's clear, hardener, and reducer. 2 clear, 1 hardener, 1 reducer.
Correct.
Same thing, screen.
Oh yeah.
I like how the cup goes right to the gun.
Yeah.
That's nice.
If it's a solid gun and a solid cup, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Then it will. If not, then you need an adapter.
Yeah. The Rust-Oleum at home all goes right in the same dirty cup.
Pausing.
Alright, I jumped out of the booth and there you go.
Nice clear, isn't it?
It is nice clear, yeah. Quick.